guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and to those who haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for the channel to grow. Okay guys, as for today, I'll be showing you how to do cobweb pancakes. And for our ingredients, you have sugar, you have 1 egg, you have wheat flour, you have milk, we'll also have oil and also cocoa powder, guys. We start with our egg. Like that. We add vegetable oil. Like that. We'll also add sugar. Like that. We'll also add our milk. Mix. Onto that point, we add our wheat flour. Mix. Our mixture is ready. Now we take another bowl, this one. We add our mixture there, like that. Now this one we'll add cocoa powder, guys. We take our cocoa powder. We are sieving. Like that. Now we mix. You need to have 2 bottles, one for cocoa and the other one for vanilla, guys. Now we'll add our cocoa mixture to the bottle. You make a small hole on the top there. That's cocoa. We go to the other one, vanilla. We start with our vanilla. Guys, as you can see, we are done with our cobweb pancakes. Very simple, amazing recipe, guys. Try this, and thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for this and many more. Thank you so much.